You go.
Get ahead, girl.
Go, Caitlin. One more, right by her.
Good job, Oliver. Way to come get it. Way to come get it, kid.
Good job. Let's go. One down. It's okay. Bring it down, babe. Go, Caitlin.
Wow. Thank you.
Go, Caitlin. Reset. Let's go.
Block.
All right, see, come on, Sienna. Start this here. That's it. There you go, see. Say. All right. Woo! Quicker on that.
Let's get to work. One down.
Go, Caitlin. Get this one, babe.
Be ready, Liz. Coming at you. Stay down on it.
Get your spots, Caitlin. Let's go.
Watch your hands.
That's the way.
Hard line drive. Hey, you're in control of your count here.
Get the batter, Caitlin.
Good job, Abby. Time.
Go, Caitlin. You got this.
Coach, first start, start.
go, Caitlin. It's away.
2 down. Stop.
Yeah. One more, Caitlin, just like that. It's away.
Hey, let's go ahead, girls.
That's my whole season. I got like 2 hits. Go.
Yeah, that's what he's doing.
Let's go, Caitlin. Start us off.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Nice throw, Jen.
Awesome, Zach.
Go, Caitlin. Take it. This is the most I've seen people get hit today. Go, Adam. Good eye. Go, Adam. Bring her in. Good eye. Good eye. Good eye, Adam.
She's missed 5 in a row, Jenny. Go and talk to her, please. Time!
Go, Allie. Keep us going. They're there for you, babe.
Come on, Addie. We have to be disciplined and hit spots. Let's go.
That's the way, kid. That's the way. Trust it now.
52. 52.
Come on, Allie.
That one's pretty accurate, Dustin, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Over here, kid. That's pitch now. Come on.
She has a professional.
Good eye.
One ball. Right.
Come on, Allie. You got this. Bring him in.
That's good.
You got in on it.
One ball. Right.
Good eye. She thought about it.
Best pitch here, kid.
Two balls. Right.
Go, Ellie.
She's talking about Randy Johnson. He's throwing 100 miles an hour. By the time he
There you
reaches
go.
that,
Nice job.
Good job,
There you
Addie.
go, Megan.
Okay, Megan, your turn. Let's go. Get him in.
What you're going to do with the ball right now. Come out. 1-1-0. Come on, Sonny. Dig in there.
There you go, kid.
Okay, you're ready, Megan. Let's go. Come on, Megan. Pick the one you want. Prick it out there. Let's go.
Nice pitch, kid.
Spin the ball. Come on, babe.
That was beautiful.
Come on, Megan. You got this.
That's pitch, Addie.
Nice. Down on the ball, defense. Down on the ball.
And then, of course, the Air Force is
That's
at
right, Megan. Come on.
Colorado.
Yeah.
Good eye. Come on, Megan. Let's get him in.
Two balls. Right.
I wasn't sure about the range of the Army.
That's it, Addie.
Oh, there.
Good eye, Megan. Good eye.
Three balls. Right. Don't give in.
Good job, Miss Addie. That's pitch.
All right.
Good job, Megan. Way to stay back on it, kid. Go, Jordan. Keep it going, kid.
Come on, Jordan.
Megan, come here. Hurry up.
She threw that change up. She got the full time. I think you're right. I think Army's at New York State. I'm sure the Marines.
Come on, Jordy.
Yeah. Up there. He was just looking at
Come on, Jordy. You can, babe. Nice and easy.
31-14 now.
Come back or drop
the.
you.
Oh, well, since July, it'd be great.
Oh.
Good eye.
have to see what's
This
going
is
on.
just barely beginning the second half, right? Oh. Good eye.
All right, Addie, nice.
Okay, Jordan, you ready now? Let's go, babe. Punch it out there. Let's go.
Good job, Jordan.
Oh! Went over the base.
Nice try, Annie.
Yeah, it went right over the bag. I agree.
Catches them always off guard.
Here we go, Jordan.
Go, Jordan. Half inch over. Let's go.
Take a pull it that way down third base line. Most kids usually get it late and put it on first base.
You gotta protect that
Come
plate.
on, baby. You
You
got
gotta
this.
protect that plate.
Right. Keep the runner over. Go 100 to second.
Here we go, Taylor.
Go, Taylor. Come on, Taylor. You got this.